guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am gonna be showing you my wedding makeup look. This was the exact look that I had done on my wedding day. I was super nervous, but I feel like everything turned out so perfect. My makeup was looking amazing, just the way I imagined it, and I loved the end result. So yeah, if you want to know how I did get my wedding makeup look, please keep watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. So now let's get started with my wedding makeup look. For skin prep, I am going to be using the Charlotte's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. This is such a beautiful product. It hydrates my skin and gives me that beautiful glow, and it looks absolutely beautiful underneath makeup. Next, I am going to be using the Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade medium. This looks beautiful underneath makeup. It gives that glow from within that every bride needs, and it just makes the entire makeup look extremely healthy and glowy, which I love. And I'm applying this on the highest points of my face where the light naturally hits my skin. Next for foundation, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I'm in the shade Warm Short. I like to apply this foundation first with a brush and then blend it out with my beauty blender. Now this particular foundation is medium to full coverage, and it is not going to budge the entire day, and it looks amazing in photos and videos. So make sure you're using your beauty blender damp so that you add in the hydration and more glow to your skin. For concealer, I am using the Magic Away Liquid Concealer in the shade medium. Now this is one shade lighter to my skin tone, so this I am gonna apply like a highlighting concealer underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead and a little bit on my chin, just to get those features forward and make my entire face look a little bit more lifted. And I'm gonna blend this concealer out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm also going to take the same concealer and I'm going to apply that as my eyeshadow base. Now before I go ahead and set this base makeup, I'm actually going to use another highlighter, a liquid highlighter this time. This is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in the shade Spotlight. Now this literally looks like glass skin. It's beautiful. It gives me that amazing glow that I absolutely love, and I'm using the same brush that I use to apply my foundation. That way it is gonna mix in with my foundation and look more natural. And now I'm gonna set this entire base using the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder in the shade medium, and this is one of the best compact powders out there. It just sets makeup so beautifully, blurs the skin, and looks amazing in photos once again. So I quickly did my eyebrows off camera because you guys have seen me doing my eyebrows a ton of times and it's the same routine. So now let's move on to eyes, and this is the most exciting part. This was exactly the eye makeup that I did on my wedding day, and I had gotten so many compliments and it looked so beautiful. So I had followed this technique that was shown by Hindash on his channel, and I loved the way my eyes were looking. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the Charlotte Tilbury's Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in the shade Barbarella Brown, and this is one of my absolute favorite brown coals that I love using. It looks very flattering on the eyes and makes eyes look really soft. So I'm going to do a half wing with this first, and then I'm going to start smudging it out with an angled brush. And for my eyeshadow palette, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury's Luxury palette in the shade Pillow Talk. Such a beautiful palette, and these are all the shades that I have used on my wedding day. I am going to take the shade Smoke Pumice, and I am going to deepen my outer corners and contour my outer corners using this particular shade. Next, I'm going to use the beautiful Eyes to Mesmerize cream eyeshadow in the shade Champagne, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelids. And then using this beautiful glittery eyeshadow from the Pillow Talk palette, I am gonna apply this on that particular cream eyeshadow, and that way my eyes are gonna pop. Then to highlight my inner corners, I am using the shade Prime Apathies. Also highlighting my brow bone and the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to apply the same shade on my lower lash line towards the inner corners. On my lower waterline, I'm going to keep it really simple. I am going to use the Rock and Coal Kajal just halfway, and I'm also going to apply the same Smoke Pumice shade to smoke out my lower lash line just a little bit. And now I'm just gonna apply some mascara and some lashes, and we are done with our eyes. Now to get that warmth and contours to our face, because we have to look chiseled on our wedding day, I am using the Airbrush bronzer in the shade 3 Tan. For blush, I am using the Cheek to Chic Swish and Glow blusher in the shade Pillow Talk Intense. This particular blush has a beautiful color and a beautiful formula, looks so cute on the skin. And then finally for lips, I am using the Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in the shade Hot Gossip, and I am gonna be filling it in with the Matte Revolution Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk Medium. Also, one trick: during your wedding day, you want your lipstick to last a really long time. So make sure that you use a lip liner and fill it in with the same lip liner, and then go ahead with your lipstick. That way, your lipstick is gonna last all day long. This combination looks bomb. It is one of my absolute favorite lip combos. So guys, this is my wedding makeup look. I had absolutely loved doing this makeup look on my wedding day. Everyone gave me compliments, how my skin was looking, how my eyes were looking. It was just perfect the way I imagined it. I hope you guys liked this particular video and this particular wedding look. I hope you guys try this look on your wedding day as well. I was very nervous, but everything turned out beautiful. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If y'all did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go now, and I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.